this video we are working on the badge. I went ahead and painted this one. It's currently drying. I'll probably put another coat on it. I cut it out in 2mm foam, heat sealed it, and to get the right color I mixed bright blue with a little bit of black. It was about maybe 75% blue, 25% black to make the right color. I'm going to go ahead and paint this one now. Alright, we'll let them dry and then we'll start on the details with the yellow and the reds. Alright, in this portion of the video we are going to do the yellow accents of the patch of the badge, and we're going to use yellow acrylic and a very tiny brush. Alright, this is the outcome of that. I didn't show the progress of me painting the red, but the red I used was a Tuscan red. But that concludes our DIY patches. Alright, in this segment we are going to be attaching our patches to the shoulders. I stuck a piece of cardboard underneath it. I'm going to add the glue directly to the patch. Going to center it and press down. Now we're going to take our measuring tape here. We know that it's about 1 inch and 1/4 from this fold. Now we're going to flip the shirt around and add the other one. Here, put a dot so I know where to lay it. I'll take our second patch down, we'll center it, and press down. Cardboard out, and now we have both the patches on the shirt. I hope you enjoyed this video on how to make your own DIY patches. Stay tuned for the full costume reveal in the next video. I hope you liked it. Hope you learned something. Share with someone that you know, and stay tuned for more content. Like, comment, and subscribe.